As you progress through the uOGlobal recognition program, you'll build international job skills and the values of a global citizen.
The world of work is changing. Employers are seeking people who can communicate and work with team members from across the globe. To thrive in this global job market, you really need to broaden the scope of what you're expected to learn at university. You need to develop skills and values such as cross-cultural communication, innovation, critical thinking, flexibility, respect for diversity, and collaboration.
Remember that to earn uOGlobal recognition, you must participate in 4 practical activities in course or workplace setting, either here or abroad.
I recommend that you pick activities worth at least 30 hours or 12 units. They can be activities that you've already completed or plan on doing, and they should provide you with knowledge as well as an enriching cross-cultural experience. These activities could include volunteering, a co-op or research term, language courses, and even an exchange program. These modules are designed to make you reflect on what you've learned during the activities. This will help you better understand others and learn more about yourself. You'll also use the modules to set your skill development goals and measure your success in meeting these goals.
You'll receive a pin that you can proudly wear to job fairs to set you apart from other job seekers. Employers will notice that you've taken steps to own your skills and that you've displayed initiative and a sense of social responsibility.
Ready, set, go. Now it's your turn to learn to understand and appreciate diversity and cultural differences, to become more flexible so you can adjust to change while remaining socially and environmentally responsible and open-minded about the world.
We need proactive people like you and me to build a more tolerant and inclusive society and a better, more sustainable world. Welcome to uOGlobal. I have the intercultural job skills and values of a global citizen.
I am uOGlobal.